Wow, that sure looks nice. Boy, you want to learn how to install a wall sconce? See what was up there before? That's the light fixture that was up there before. You want to learn how to install a wall sconce like this. Stick around. Before I put this up there, I want to look at these wires here and see how I'm going to do this, because see, once this goes in here, I've got this whole thing that's going to push back into that. Then it has to fold over. So in fact, I might have just a hair too much wire sticking out of there, and I may want it to go straight in. So you know what? I think I'm gonna do something different here. I think I'm gonna put this the other direction like that. That in there like that, and have this stick out so I've got a little bit of extra room there. So I guess I'm going to have to shove these little 3 wires in here first, like that. Let's see. No. Oh, I got to think about this. Good grief. I want that to stick out like that. Come on, Joe. What are you thinking? See, I want that coming out the other way. So, in a sense, like that. So this is sticking out. The wire's going to be coming out of that. I don't have a problem with that. I can silicone that, whether it's like that or this. You put a little bit of silicone on that if you want, because it's exterior. You don't necessarily have to. And then this wire is going to go through there. Okay, I guess I can push it back in this way. Come on. Silly weenie. As I was pulling, there's nothing right there. Okay. So, I guess I can push that. Now I can push it through. See, now I can pull this and have just the last little bit of it sticking out like that. Okay. See, like that. That's not going to pull out of there. And now, once I put it in there, that's going to hold it snug as a bug in a rug. If anything, I want it to stick out just a little bit further so I can do it again. I want a little bit of it showing. I don't want to get it too close. Okay, like that. That's fine. Okay. So now I'm going to position these wires and see how to do this. You know, do I need it that long? I could put a wire nut right there. Let's see, before I cut these, I can put the black wire nut there. I can put the ground wire nut there. I can push this white wire around. Put maybe the ground right about there. The white wire there. The black wire there. Okay? Something like that. Let's just go ahead and do it, shall we? That's going to go there. Let's say the white wire is going to go there. And the black wire is going to go about there. And now I can strip these wires back. About like that. Yeah, about there. Okay. Now I can make a determination. Do I want the ground pretty small still. Let's try one and see. Hope you can see that. Hope my elbow's not in the way. So I gotta make sure to fit this into this box, and the yellows are just barely big enough to fit in the box. I think that's gonna work. Okay. I want to save some of my orange wire nuts for another day. My stranded wire here. I made it tight first and then I wrapped it around. So that's why I made it just a hair longer on the stranded tip, you know, when I stripped it back. I'll pull on that, make sure it's tight. Sometimes you might think the wire nut is tight, and then all of a sudden you go and pull it and you find out what's the deal here, DVO. Okay, there, that looks pretty good. That way everything's going to fit in there nice and snug like that. Snug as a bug in a rug. I can hold that like that, and I'll make some marks with a pencil or with a scratch awl. I don't even know if I have a scratch awl. I wish I had one. I'm looking for one here. I don't think I have one. So I can hold this up there. Got just a little Phillips screwdriver. See, no matter what I do, it's not really going to matter about this plate. It's this size or a smaller one. I went with the little bit bigger one. Okay. And I can put a mark up there. I can eyeball that and put a mark down there. And I see exactly where that is right there. And okay, where was my other mark? I can see it up here. I see it. I think it's that. Yeah, that's it. Right there. And I'm going to pre-drill out those holes with a small little screwdriver or a small bit. Okay. What I could have done was I could have raised this up higher, but I was trying to cover up some goobers down here. Okay. And so I'm kind of close to the box up here, but that's all right. And I've got some screws here, and before I put the cover on, I can take the screw and I can drive it in here first if I want. I might want to go more. This is a impact drill. And I'm going to go. That's why you're hearing it make that noise. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and just drill it out a little bit more. A bigger drill bit. Always have your tools ready. Now I can use my screws. Make sure they go. Boy. Go a little bit bigger. Okay. Don't be that way about it. Let's go a little bigger. Drill. Next drill bit. I don't like to guess. I like to, because if I guessed and if the hole was too big, then these screws just slip right in there and I'd have to make new holes, wouldn't I? I don't want to, there it I can start this bottom one. Now, just remember, that was on here, and it had a slit on it like that. And in fact, this top one, well, the the head's too big. Or it had a slit on it like that. And lo and behold, that's the dealio here. Oh, good grief. I might have to make that, no, I think it'll go. I thought I was going to have to drill it a little bit bigger in the cover. Look at that. And let's see here. Looks like it can be tapped down just a little bit. So at this point, my hammer, where's my hammer? I'm not having a nail bag on me today. I'd like to have my nail bag on. Okay, almost ready to tighten that down. Okay, let's see here. There it is. Here's my wire. I can put some silicone around that. And I'll have to put some paint touch up on here. This is where the other light fixture went, all the way down here. Once I get the wall sconce up, then I can still paint that and all that. Okay. So that's my next step to my project before I get ready to install this wall sconce over here. Stick around, I'll show you the rest. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.